In fiscal 2024, we anticipate an improved ordinary income of 300 billion yen and a net income of 295 billion yen compared to the previous announcement. The performance of K-Line's own businesses is expected to improve. While earnings have been impacted by one-time factors such as severe foreign exchange rate volatility, overall we have successfully executed initiatives to enhance earning power. Although instability in the Red Sea region and other factors continue to create uncertainties, earnings in container ship business are expected to improve due to steady cargo movements against the backdrop of shipments being brought forward in anticipation of supply chain disruption. One is taking a responsive approach to minimize disruptions to the supply chain. Despite the continuing uncertainties surrounding the instability in the Red Sea region, the trade policy of the new U.S. administration, and other factors, K-Line's company-wide results are expected to improve. We are further enhancing our technologies and expertise, which represent the unique strengths of the K-Line Group, and promoting low-carbon, zero-carbon emissions for the company and society. From among the various initiatives of our group, we will introduce the offshore support vessel business for offshore wind power installations, which K-Line Wind Service is working on as a new business area in a field where it can make use of its strengths, while making use of group synergies. Offshore wind power generation, which utilizes Japan's marine resources as an island nation, is considered to be a trump card that will play a major role as a renewable energy source and is expected to grow in the future. Offshore wind power generation requires work at sea in all phases. For this reason, it is a business area where the K-Line Group can make use of the strengths we have cultivated in Japan and overseas. Furthermore, it is a business that contributes to decarbonization for society that K-Line Group is aiming for, supports the shift in energy mix being implemented by customers, and leads to strengthening partnerships with customers. By surveying the underground structure of the seabed, it is possible to determine which areas of sea can be used, and to consider the layout and design of the facilities. Geotechnical surveys are necessary to determine the most suitable mooring method for not only the fixed-bottom offshore wind turbines, but also the floating offshore wind turbines that are expected to be in demand in the future in Japan as an island nation. But there is a shortage of geotechnical survey vessels in Japan. K-Line Wind Service, EGS Survey. EK Geotechnical Survey was established that brings together the resources and know-how of both companies. The Japanese-flagged geotechnical survey vessel, EK Hayate, was delivered as a ship owned by EK Geotechnical Survey. The EK Hayate is characterized by having a moon pool, which is an opening that runs from the deck to the bottom of the ship, at the center of gravity of the ship. This moon pool is equipped with a twin-tower drilling apparatus, developed independently by EGS, and the vessel is equipped with a dynamic positioning system that is essential for safe operations. The vessel is able to accommodate up to 30 geotechnical survey staff to enable 24-hour operations, and is also equipped with a laboratory for immediate inspection of recovered soil samples, which reduces the lead time for the survey phase and enables the provision of competitive services. Geotechnical survey vessels are expected to be used in a variety of seabed geotechnical surveys, for which demand is expected to grow in the future. K-Line Wind Service will utilize the EK Hayate to provide various geotechnical survey solutions, such as laying pipelines for CO2 storage for the CCS business, which is expected to develop in the future, and surveys for port construction and expansion. In this way, the company aims to contribute not only to the development of offshore wind power generation in Japan, but also to the realization of a carbon-neutral society. Through marine geotechnical surveys, K-Line Wind Service will build a network with business operators and accumulate experience, expand its services to the subsequent phase of offshore wind power generation, proceed to contribute to decarbonization for society, and achieve sustainable growth and enhancement of corporate value.